Hey, yo, what's up? What's up? What's going on, y'all? As y'all can see today, I'm in my personal vehicle. Knocked out a few cars. If you can see probably in the thumbnail or in the title of this video, I'm going to be talking about being a minimalist. Not all the time that you have to be so overwhelmed with the thought process of becoming a mobile detailer. I know I haven't been on here in a while, but I felt like this would be a dope topic simply because I'm going through it right now. My van is currently in the shop, but I still got clients to fulfill. And because of that, I have to go back to the basics. You know what I mean? And I have to lead by example. I've been telling you guys for a while now that you don't need a full mobile unit with pressure washer, water tank, air hose reels, air compressor. You don't really need all of that to make some money. You know what I'm saying? The client do not care about none of those things. They just want to know, can you make my car clean? So today, that's basically what I'm going to be doing, and that's what I'm going to be showing y'all. Basically, all I have right now in my car is a vacuum, my tote bag with all my spray bottles, which contains spray wax, interior detailer, all-purpose cleaner, wheel cleaner. So all my spray bottles are in a tote bag, and I have my bucket to fill up and put soap in there. Got my wash mitt, got my brush because I will be doing a dump truck today as well. That's pretty much it. That's all you need to get the job done. And I'm going to show you guys that. And I don't want to hear nobody complaining about how they can't get clients or they can't get money because they don't have a fully mobile van like I do. Because in life, things happen. Things go wrong. Like currently what I'm going through right now. My air compressor on my van went out, so I have no AC. And I'm working in like 91 to 103 degree weather. It feels good to get back in a vehicle and have air conditioning. So I took it to get fixed, and that's what they're doing right now. So for a couple days, I may not have my van. You heard? So do not be so hell-bent on you don't have a full mobile vehicle with all the bells and whistles. You could get money as long as you want to get money. As long as you have a hustler spirit, you have a hustler's mindset, you can get to it. Before all these modern vans and all this stuff that y'all seeing now, there was mobile detailers detailing out of the back of a Kia, and they was making it work. So a lot of these big successful detailers you see doing their thing now and being successful, they started somewhere. Life could throw you curveballs, and you got to know how to adjust. That's one thing with me. I'm a chameleon. I adapt to my environment no matter where I'm at. So I want you to be the same. Be blessed, stay tuned, and watch how I get these details out. So yeah, as I can see, I'm on location, and this car, they say they're trading it in, so they just want it to come back to life a little bit, which is what I'm gonna do, because it's a little bent out of shape, but it's an old school. So I'm gonna do my best to bring it back with all that I got. And this one is also getting traded in. It's his wife's car. Not so bad. So I'm gonna be in and out with the videos simply because I want to knock these out as fast as possible and be as diligent as possible. Stay tuned. Looking at here is for the leather. I don't really use the magic erasers too much, but this tool right here, clutch. If you can find out your detail spots, please do. Don't hesitate. This removes a lot of the dirt and whatever's inside of the leather, but it's not that aggressive to where it affects the leather. So yeah, definitely. If you guys can get your hands on this, please do. And I don't ever work without gloves, but I had to today because everything is in my van and I completely forgot to grab the box of gloves. So before y'all super detailers get at me, that's the case. Huh?
It smells so good.
Oh, thank you, thank you.
Oh, I like that.
Oh, yeah. I have to kind of give it some life.
Oh, yeah, definitely.
Thank you.